Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for clicking this video. In today's video, I thought I'd talk about how it's been for me to be a vegan. Today I went to Starbucks, got myself a soy latte. You know how your boy Isaac's do. As you guys know, I've already lost one housemate. I guess they just can't get on with my vegan lifestyle. Okay guys, that's all I got time for today, so make sure you subscribe, like, follow, favorite, all that stuff guys. Thank you so much.
Hey, is it?
Yeah.
How are you?
Hungry?
You gonna eat something?
Definitely not while you're eating.
I forgot I'm living with such a vegan.
Alright.
Oh, sorry. Wait. Oh, wait. Speaking of your last video,
What about it?
do you really mean what you said? Or is it just
What?
attention seeking? I mean, I don't want to fight you about it. I'm just saying, there's better ways to do what you want to do. You don't have to change completely just to fit that entertainment bill.
You think you know how it works?
Well, in any case, don't you think you went a little overboard with all the controversial statements?
What do you mean?
I mean, I saw you on the newspaper this morning, and I know it's free speech and all, but saying that all people who kill innocent beings deserve death is. Look, I haven't known you for a long time, but that doesn't seem like you. You're not that kind of person. And I know you're an activist and stuff, but that kind of activism will only put you off your message.
Is that why you still eat like you do? Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for clicking this video. In today's video, I thought I'd talk about how it's been for me to be a vegan.